咁當然今日嘅一個 general 嘅一個 conceptual layout 其實可以睇成一個 guideline，即係我哋有個 bigger picture 去到 control 住一件事，好似做 exhibition 嘅 curator 嘅角色咁樣，其實就係即係有 curator 喺度啦。咁但係我哋都要 choose exhibitor，但係 under 我哋 same curatorial statement 一齊去到 build up 同一個 picture 出嚟啊嘛。咁其實我覺得係一個咁樣嘅，我會咁樣去 read 呢一件事啦。但係而家睇嚟，可能而家啲 panel 係為咗俾大家 public 去到睇，所以要容易 understandable 嘅話，所以就要所有嘢都畫晒出嚟。然之後大家就好容易會有個誤解，就係呢一個就會係 finally 個 build project 就係咁樣樣㗎啦。即係個 theatre 可能就會係咁樣樣嘅，即係但係其實對於我嚟睇，我哋只係要一個 general 嘅一個 overall 嘅 guideline 啫嘛。In fact 應該係每一個 building， 我係圓嘅係方嘅，而家呢刻唔應該去決定住嘅。但係我哋反而要諗下點樣去 establish 個 system， 好 systematic 咁樣去到 allow 一個 freedom of 一個 open competition， 但係 at the same time 又唔會 become bits and pieces， 即係全部係散晒嘅。所以呢一個就係今日呢一個 conceptual layout 最緊要做到嘅地方。我見到有好多嘅掣肘喺度嘅。我哋 once 我哋用一個 administration 太過強嘅諗法去到 run 呢一個 project 嘅話，就會有好多地方就會 lost 咗好多 chances。譬如其實一個咁大嘅 project， 點解唔去到將佢 break down 做100個、200個 competition？ 你唔一定要 local competition， 你可以 even 係一個 international 或者係 regional 嘅 competition。我哋唔一定要話個 theatre 或者個 auditorium 係將個 building 變成一個 competition， 因為可能係太大啦。咁大 competition 其實我哋話佢係 open， 其實佢唔係好 open 嘅啫，因為只係好 limited 嘅 office 有呢個 resource 能夠做呢個所謂 competition。其實 in fact 佢係一個 bidding， 唔係一個 competition。但係我哋係 asking for 一啲新嘅 idea， 應該係一個 experimental 嘅 platform 嚟㗎嘛。所以我覺得唔係淨係個 building itself become a competition， 應該每一個 public space，even 一張凳、一個 signage，even 個垃圾桶我都覺得點解唔可以呢？點解唔可以有垃圾桶做個 competition 呢？我覺得冇問題嘅喎。你係 professional， 但係你冇公司喎，你個公司冇 portfolio 喎。你公司以前有冇做過5000萬嘅 project 啊 ？show 唔到，咁我永遠都 start 唔到個 business 㗎。即係外國人哋個 mentality 唔同，佢可以 allow 到個 chance。即係我做一個 public toilet， 可能譬如我用100萬做一個 pavilion， 或者做一個細嘅 building。其實我相信任何一個 professional， 即係一個 architect， 佢都有能力 handle 得到。但係我哋好多時就係唔該你呢間公司，麻煩你俾我睇睇你之前做過啲咩 job， 你係咪曾經 handle 過2000萬嘅 project 㗎？我唔知你 handle 唔 handle 到嘅喎。咁其實任何間公司都 start 唔到㗎。用呢種諗法嚟講，我哋點 start 一間公司呢？我自己之前咧幫個手 organize 一啲architectural competition， 咁我見到有一啲問題會出咗嚟嘅。譬如我哋譬如有一個 building， 有一間學校，我哋想做一個 open competition。咁我哋喺一個最直接嘅諗法就係贏咗，梗係嗰個 winner 做 architect 㗎啦，然之後 run 埋個 project 㗎啦。但係唔係嘅，點解會係咁呢？因為譬如 say as 一個 public 嘅 building， 佢係可能要個 project architect 要係一間 established 嘅 office， 要係 on list， 要係 on 個 government 嘅 architectural 嘅 consultancy list。That means 其實只係得19間 on list， 即係我哋有2個 list 嘅，咁其實只係得幾十間嘅 firm 可以能夠 take up 呢一個 project。就算我哋自己，就算我今日贏咗呢個 competition， 贏完之後我仲要拎住自己個 scheme 周圍去敲門，揾一間 architectural firm willing to collaborate with me 去到 proceed with 呢個 design， 然之後我仲要去求人，我贏咗之後我仲要去求人，唔知人哋做唔做。 咁其實呢件事係完全錯晒嘅。同埋其實好多時我哋一個 big project 係會用個 contractually 係會用一個 design and build 嘅 contract，which 更加錯我覺得。因為 design and build 冇錯 administration wise 嚟講，你可以做 cost control，因為你係 architect and contractor together 去到 bid 呢一個 job。但係好多時候 architect 嘅 position 應該係 to on one hand 我哋要去 procure project 做 cost control、time control， 但係我哋都要 retain 翻我哋嘅 design concept， 同埋要 make sure 啲 material 各樣嘢係做得到。但係 under 一個 design build contract，architect 係 being employed under 嗰個 contractor，which 咁其實我哋仲能唔能夠 carry 到我哋個 thought， 即係好多時候要做一啲 fine tune， 要 adjust 好多嘢。咁好多時候出咗嚟嘅時候已經唔再係 original 我哋想要。